Welcome to our series, Decoding China through the 24 solar terms. I'm Vivi, an editor from Jiangxi International Communication Center. The traditional Chinese lunar calendar divides the year into 24 solar terms. Green rain is the last solar term of spring among China's 24 solar terms. In 2026, green rain begins on April 20.
Green rain originates from the old saying, rain brings up the growth of hundreds of grains, which shows that this period of rainfall is extremely important for the growth of crops. April, during the green rain solar term, is full spring, when grass grows, birds fly, and flowers bloom in full splendor.
In the Tang Dynasty, the poet Bai Juyi captured this beautiful scene of peach blossoms in full bloom in his poet. Peach blossoms in the Temple of Great Forest.
Peach blossoms in the Temple of Great Forest. Bai Juyi. English translation by Xu Yuanchong. All flowers in late spring have fallen far and wide, but peach blossoms are full blown on this mountainside. I oft regret spring's gone without leaving its trace. I do not know it's come up to adorn this place.
On Green Rain Day, tea farmers in Jiangxi go up the mountains and pick tea leaves. During the green rain period, the temperature is mild and rainfall is abundant. After resting and rejuvenating throughout the winter, the tea trees are at their best in terms of color, taste, and aroma.
Whenever green rain arrived in the tea-growing areas of southern, eastern, and northern Jiangxi, tea-picking women would sing folk songs while picking tea leaves to relieve tiredness and lift their spirits. In Guixi, northeastern Jiangxi, there is a custom of having tea on Green Rain Day. On this day, even to strangers, the hospitable people of Guixi will invite them inside for a cup of hot tea and some pastries.
During the green rain solar term, rain nourishes all things and hope takes root. Seeds break through the soil and fields thrive with vitality.
May we embrace renewal, gratitude, and growth in our hearts, and like all living things nurtured by spring rain, walk toward the sun and journey toward hope.